There we go.
Turn the fucking clicker on. Oh man. Oh, that's a bright fish too, Andy. Locked and loaded. Hey, I think they're starting to turn on. What do you think?
Yeah, that's 3 and 5, 6 grips.
Fuck, dude.
Found a little pot of break. 2 nice crumbs in there.
Oh, he's going. He's goodbye.
How far down is it? Hold it out the other way. Keep moving the face. Right there.
Right
You know, is he past that tree?
Probably.
Now, how do you fight these steelhead on a pin, Billy?
When you're fighting a steelhead on a pin, you want to keep your rod low as to not let him spin. Man, this one's getting it.
Keep their head down.
Exactly.
Now, since the center pin doesn't have any drag, how do you control your drag on your reel?
There's 2 ways to control the drag on your reel on a center pin. You can either control it with your fingers, which would be your middle finger. I don't know what this one is, your index finger, I think. Or you can palm it. This is a pretty good fish, I'm not gonna lie.
How do you keep them out of the trees?
Turn the rod the other way. I know he's there.
Are you caught in the tree?
Nope, not.
I see your float right by the branch. Give me a little flash.
Hope I didn't just boot another one. There he is. Come on out. Yep, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Huh?
Nothing, then I fish the whole thing right through. No, these roll and
This one came out of pink sack.
this one's on a pink sack, a white sack, pink sack. Here in the two cup like and light tangerine. Yeah. Nice chrome. That's good chrome. We got a little powder chrome. We're gonna stay down here. I'm gonna chase this one down probably.
Oh, this is a good one.
No. Alright, let me go. I gotta chase this sucker. Alright, bud. Hold on, we're gonna chase him down. I'm gonna chase him right over that.
So what do you think?
It's awesome. Oh
Fucking
yeah.
hell. Dude, I think I like the fight with the steelhead better than I do. Here he goes.
Get that float right to your tip. All the way up here. Really lift him up.
Jesus.
Damn. Nice land.
Oh shit. Fucking
What?
A. Holy shit.
You're gonna get a picture when I lift this fish up?
Yeah.
Oh.